Welcome to a high pressurized equipment safety training. The safety risks when using high pressure equipment include exposure to chemical through inhalation of vapors or skin contact, high pressure injection injuries from the spray gun itself, fires and explosions caused by flammable substances and static electricity, eye injuries from debris and overspray, and risk associated with working in confined or poorly ventilated spaces. The use of proper personal equipment, carefully handling of high pressure equipment, proper ventilation, and eliminating ignition sources are crucial for safe operation. This is one of the most serious risks. High pressure can inject any material or other fluids under the skin, causing severe injuries or even amputation if immediate medical treatment is not received. Be aware and take the necessary precautions to eliminate the risk of skin injection on any part of your body. Inhalations. Vapors, splashes, and dust from solvents or any material can cause respiratory irritation, nausea, and long-term health problems. Skin contact. Direct contact with chemicals can cause skin irritation or absorption into the bloodstream, which can lead to poisoning. Poor ventilation. Spraying in confined or poorly ventilated spaces increases the risk of chemical buildup and the possibility of serious illness. High pressure injection. High pressure systems operating at very high pressure can inject fluids through the skin, causing severe injuries that require immediate medical attention. Never place any part of your body in front of or near the spray gun to avoid injection. Debris and overspray. When spraying, debris, dust, and overspray can come into contact with your eyes and cause injuries. Electrical hazards. Using any electrical equipment near power sources possess a risk of electric shock. Flammable vapors. Many products produce flammable vapors that can ignite from sparks or open flames, causing fires or explosions. Work areas must be well ventilated to prevent the buildup of flammable vapors. Ignition sources or fires. Remove all open flames, sparks, or other ignition or fire sources from the work area, as they can ignite flammable vapors. Static electricity. Spray systems with poor grounding can generate static electricity, creating sparks that can ignite flammable vapors. Number 1. Know your equipment. Before using any high-pressure equipment, make sure you understand how it operates and how to properly despressurize it to ensure safety. There are several ways to do it. Always read and understand the manufacturer's instructions and manual before using it. Number 2. Use personal protective equipment. Use proper eye protection, chemical-resistant gloves, and respirators with the correct cartridges. Read and review the SDS, the safety data sheet, to know the specific personal protective equipment needed and required for the specific material you are using. Number 3. Good ventilation. Ensure there is good ventilation when spraying, especially with chemicals, by placing the equipment in a well ventilated area. Inhaling any product or vapor can cause serious illnesses or even death. Splashes can also cause injuries to the skin and eyes. Number 4, remove your hand from the trigger. Safety when using any high pressure equipment relies heavily on developing good habits to keep the high pressure equipment safe most of the time. One of the best habits is to remove your hand from the trigger when not spraying. This way, you avoid accidentally pulling it. This should be done along with the next safety tip. Number 5, use the trigger lock. A high pressure spray gun has a safety or lock similar to a real gun that should always be used when not spraying. Remove your hand from the trigger and then engage the safety lock. These two habits alone ensure that the spray gun is in safe state, even if the system is under pressure. Number 6, depressurize when not using the equipment. If you are going to perform any operation with the spray gun, such as changing the nozzle, filter, or adding an extension, you must release the system pressure. This is easy. Lower the pressure handle to 0 and then turn the spray prime switch to the prime position. This will release the pressure, making the equipment safe to perform the necessary maneuvers. You can tell if the pressure has been released by looking at the pressure gauge, which should now be at 0. Additionally, the hose will loosen and be easy to coil. Never leave high pressure equipment unattended and under pressure. Release the system pressure before leaving the equipment. If a hose breaks or a connection leaks, release the pressure. Never cover a leak with your hand or any part of your body if the system is under pressure. Number 7, use the material safely. We often overlook the risk of the product being used when spraying. You are atomizing the material or product and being exposed to it, which makes inhalation easier and also increases the likelihood of an explosion if it is a flammable material. Regardless of the material being sprayed, the person spraying must use the proper personal protective equipment, including the appropriate respirator as indicated in the safety data sheet. Number 8, protect your body parts. Keep all parts of your body away from the tip of the spray gun or nozzle of any high pressure system in use, whether cleaning, rinsing, or trying to unclog. Never, please never place any part of your body in front of or near the spray gun or nozzle to avoid injection. Number 9, immediate action after an injury. Seek immediate medical help. This is a life-threatening emergency. Go to the emergency room as soon as possible. Do not delay. Delay in treatment significantly increases the risk of amputation. Do not eat or drink. The victim should not ingest anything, as they might require emergency surgery. Immobilize and elevate. Keep the injured body parts still and elevated. Take pictures. If possible, photograph the injured area and the equipment used to provide information to the medical team. Provide information. Give the medical team the safety data sheet of the injected substance and details of the accident. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope this training helps you identify the hazards you are exposed to and how to control or eliminate them when using or working with high pressure spraying equipment.